I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery on a Lincoln MKZ remote. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is readily available at most stores. Having these items ready will make the process quick and easy, ensuring your remote is back in working order in just a few moments. Let's get started. Now let's open the remote. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the remote casing should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the internal components and the battery. With the remote open, you'll see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side, usually the positive side, is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your remote. Finally, it's time to reassemble your Lincoln MKZ remote. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Give the remote a quick squeeze to ensure it's fully closed. Now, test all the functions of your remote, like locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.